Guys, how you guys doing today? Today what we're gonna make is our homemade lip balm or chapstick, or however whichever one you guys want to make. Gino, go sit down. So I got my empty jars ready, guys. So this is a real easy, simple process, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do, what's in here, guys, even though it's like in a petroleum jelly, this is just not petroleum jelly. This is actually coconut oil, vitamin E oil, guys. Combined it, and a little bit of shea butter. So I'm going to take this and put it in here. You guys see the candle lighting up my oils. Okay, so that. Okay, guys, so this right here is cosmetic grade, like beeswax, for when you make lipstick and different stuff like that. So that's what's going to make it turn hard, guys. That's what's going to make it turn hard. So with this recipe, guys, I'm going to do this recipe. This could be for male or female, guys. And then I'm going to use a little touch of citrus sweet orange. So when you put it on your lips, it'll have that nice little sweet orange taste. So men or women can use it. And we're just going to let that heat up, guys. And like I said, this is a real simple recipe for you guys to do, guys. And on my tea light, I picked that up from the dollar store, guys. These little containers I ordered online. So this could be an easy DIY project if you want to do with your daughters and they want to make some money selling lip gloss and lip balm. And then I'm even going to show you guys how to change the color. So yeah, and I'm even going to make one that's an exfoliator with a little bit of sugar in it, guys. So once that heats up, I'm going to show you guys how simple it is. And after it heats up, I put it into the freezer and I let it freeze, and it is ready to go. So these is real easy DIY things that you can make with your kids and stuff like that, guys. So each recipe you can do, like you can use shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil, whatever type of oils you want to use. And you go from there. So we're just waiting on all of the emulsifying wax to, you know, melt. And once it does that, it's ready. So guys, I'm going to let this heat up, and I want to take up a lot of the membrane in the foam. So once all the the emulsifying wax melts, and then we'll pour it into the molds. Alrighty, guys, I'll come back. Guys, all of the oils and emulsifying beeswax cosmetic grade has melted, and now we're going to add them and put them on these little jars. And then they're going to go in the freezer. So, yeah, I would miss, huh? Okay. Okay, so now I got to clean up the mess. I don't want it to dry on there. It'll be hard to get it off once the wax dry. So, and then I'm going to put this in the freezer, and it's going to freeze, and it'll actually be ready, guys. But this is real simple, real easy. Got to clean off the bottom. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put those in the freezer. Then I'm going to show you how to change the color on them. These going in the freezer. Now, I put the lids on when they freeze. Okay. Those is ready. They're in the freezer. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to change the color. So for the girls, and we want a little color, this is food coloring. Drop the food coloring in there. Drop it in there. And I need to stir it up. And then you can use mica powder too. And that'll change it as well. So give it a little color. So this changes the color. So mica powder is the stuff that they make eyeshadow with. It's the cosmetic grade. So for the little girls, and they be like, you know, they want some pink. So we just put that in there. And if you guys see, look, it changes the color. See? So now they got pink. Okay? So another thing that you can do, guys, if you want to exfoliate your lips, put a little bit of sugar in there. So now when you put it on, it's gonna exfoliate. So yes, these easy. So if you guys want to make lip gloss and you want to use an exfoliator, have it where you can, you know, dig down in there and exfoliate your lips. That's what the sugar will do. It'll be an exfoliator. So when you put it down in there. So that it. There it go, guys. Easy DIY lip gloss. So lip gloss, lip balms. You guys want to do this with your kids or whatever? Yeah, this is real easy, real simple. So, okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Guys, so this is the final one. Again, I'm going to show you guys how to turn this one into an exfoliator. So if you guys see, that's in there, and I'm putting sugar in there, guys, and I'm gonna stir it up. So basically, when you guys use this one, once it freeze, the emulsifying wax freeze, this one is exfoliator, because you know sugar is an exfoliator, and it helps replenish the lips and everything. So I'm stirring it up real good, guys. And I got a little bit of the lemon spice in there. So when you exfoliate them lips, and it's going to taste sweet, guys. So this one is going to go in the refrigerator, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to try it on and show you guys what it looked like. So this one's going to go in the freezer. Alrighty, guys. Guys, they are out of the freezer, and if you can see, they are ready. I can put the lids on, and I'm going to use the pink one, guys, just to show you, because I know the mom's probably like, I don't want my daughter like she's wearing lipstick. My lips already got some on it, so. But it does not release color. So, see the pink one, guys? And take it and put it on. You guys see that? But it's not releasing color, guys. I already have color on. But yes, you guys can make your own lip balm with your babies. See that, guys? That's amazing, guys. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Guys, so if you can see, they're out of the freezer and they're ready to use. So guys, you can use this, and then guys, the mica powder does not it does not put off color. So for the mothers that might want to do this recipe, but I don't want my little girl like she's wearing lipstick, it won't be like lipstick, guys. So mica powder is the ingredients that's in eyeshadow, guys. So you just put a little drop in that and it'll change the color. So guys, I'm going to try the product out for you guys and put it on and show you guys, but it's going to moisturize amazing. So winter is coming. It would be a great product to try for the girls. Now, when I make it for men, guys, when I make it for men, have you noticed this one is a little bit on the oily side? So when you making the Carmex for the men, guys, add more of the beeswax, so to make it less oilier. Add more of the beeswax to it, so because guys don't want their lips to be, you know, all oily. And I make it for my son all the time in the winter, and his lips be amazing, and they don't be like oily like this. So if you're making it for the guys, remember add more beeswax. So alrighty guys, and that is cosmetic grades beeswax for lipstick, makeup, stuff like that. So when you go online, go on eBay, put in cosmetic grade beeswax, and you'll get it and get the flakes or however. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye guys. So the Carmex is all done, or lip balm guys. So guys, I go on eBay and get the beeswax cosmetic grades, or you can get the soy wax cosmetic grade. So when you make your lip gloss or whatever, if you want to take this and make conditioner, but that's a whole nother topic. But it moisturizes really good guys. So when you're using it, and if you're using it for the guys, remember guys, put more beeswax in it. It won't be so oily. So yeah, more beeswax and make it more harder and not so oily. So that's how you'll make it if you're gonna make it for the guys. I know y'all don't want y'all lips all, you know, oily, you know, dripping down oil. And so you guys, yes, try out that recipe. I genuinely love it. I make it all the time for my son, but winter time is coming, and then you can do the sugar one, and that one will exfoliate your lips guys. So try these easy DIY. And oh, and all the products guys, little tea light. So guys, I got this from the dollar store in a little tea light and heat it up, and then I use this. You probably could find one in a dollar store, but this is actually one of them teaspoon things. And then, you know, when I go to scoop it right up, put it right into the containers. And then these little empty jar things I got off eBay guys. So go on eBay and you guys can pick that product up. So guys, make some easy fun DIY project with your grandkids, with your kids. Oh, I'm saying grandkids because, you know, I'm a grandmama. My one baby is in heaven and my other baby is grown. So with my grandkids, and you got to watch them because the tea lights, they're going to be really anxious and it is hot. So if you're going to do it with your grandbabies, just kind of let them know it's hot, it's dangerous, and you got to do it with them. So just watch them so they don't burn down the house. But that would be a great, awesome project to try with your grandbabies and your kids, guys. And remember, a little bit of mica powder is not going to change the color where your baby is like she's wearing lipstick. So the mica powder, you can find that guys on eBay, or if you got some old eyeshadow. This was old eyeshadow I didn't use anymore, and that's what mica powder is. And I just scraped a little bit in there and it changed the color. And if you want to put flavor to it, a little citrus oil, I'm going to give it the little orange, pink, bubblegum flavor, whatever flavor you guys want. All right guys, make some awesome lip gloss. Bye bye guys. Last but not least, the sugar scrub one is ready guys. So this one, like I said, it has the sugar in it and it exfoliates guys. So and put it on. Oh, and I like how that orange citrus smell. Make sure when you make this one guys that whoever is making it not allergic to oranges or citrus, because that wouldn't be good. But oh, it exfoliates the lips so well guys. So I wanted to show you guys the sugar one. So guys, yes, you guys want to make these products, make these products. And guys, remember, don't keep it somewhere where it's extremely hot. Like if you make this lip gloss and you sit it on your dresser under a heat, it is going to turn back into a liquid when it heats up. So guys, these are awesome DIYs to try guys. So guys, try this out. This one is the sugar scrub one. So it exfoliates the lips. So when your lips is dry and crusty, add a little bit of sugar with this recipe guys, and it will be awesome guys. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Bye bye guys. Last but not least, the sugar scrub one is ready guys. So this one, like I said, it has the sugar in it and it exfoliates guys. So and put it on. Oh, and I like how that orange citrus smell. Make sure when you make this one guys that whoever is making it not allergic to oranges or citrus, because that wouldn't be good. But Oh, it exfoliates the lips so well, guys. So I wanted to show you guys the sugar one. So guys, yes, you guys want to make these products, And guys, remember, don't keep it somewhere where it's extremely hot. Like if you make this lip gloss and you sit it on your dresser under a heat, it is going to turn back into a liquid when it heats up. So guys, these are awesome DIYs to try, guys. So guys, try this out. This one is the sugar scrub one. So it exfoliates the lips. So when your lips is dry and crusty, add a little bit of sugar with this recipe, guys, and it will be awesome, guys. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, pause the computer. There's that recipe, and you guys can also go on YouTube, and people show you step by step, but real easy, guys. You can make your own lip balm, lip gloss, lipstick at home. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye-bye.